y'all got like the same one.
What's up, folks? It's Saturday. Yes, and we've got Alexis here with us, and she's heading to Puerto Rico soon. And of course, we've got the Bronco back, and Craig with his new 4-seater. We're gonna go explore the train tunnel. Scott and Lisa are here with us. We'll try and get Scott stuck somewhere, as you all like that, of course. So stay with us. We'll get to some live action here. Okay, here is the infamous Boulder train tunnel. If you look at the top, it says Boulder Tunnel. Looks like 5,145 feet. So it's long. There is a small glimpse of the end. Just a little dot you can see over there. And here's Razor, my new puppy. He's going pee, yeah. And we got Blue here still, of course. Scott and Lisa, Elizabeth, and Alexis.
Then I go, I really appreciate
Craig.
now.
And then their dogs, Chevelle and Nova. Yeah, somebody dumped something here. Obviously somebody that doesn't want us coming in. They're gonna block off the end of the tunnel. One of the locals or something. It's kind of crazy, but it's kind of an unregulated area here. So we're gonna go through. We'll show you the inside. Okay, so there's a lot more ice in here than what we're used to. A couple fresh paintings. Yeah, the whole thing's solid ice. Woo! Yeah. Wet. Okay. What do we got here? 10:18 in the morning. We'll see how long it takes us to get through here. I'm guessing we're not going to be able to make it through the other end because it drips so much that it actually makes like an icicle, like stalactite or whatever you call it. Yeah. Looks like we got our first obstacle here. I could opt for the gravel and traction side, but I'm worried there's going to be a lot of breakage against the wall, so I'm going to just go right down the middle. See how it works out. No problem. Okay, we've definitely passed the halfway point here. See what's at the end. Here's a little tuck away for the old tunnel workers. When a train was coming through, they tuck on the side. Okay, so just a few hundred feet from where we just were, we've got some major buildup. It looks very impassable. And it's not even at the very end, it's usually at the very end. To get turned around here, but we'll check this out for a second.
Oh my God, I was thinking the same thing.
There's no potties in here. This thing is huge. Yeah, I don't think a 50-incher might be able to slip right through there, but definitely not us. I'm guessing there's another one at the end. Whoa!
It's slickery.
I just slid all the way down. Yeah, it's kind of cool in here.
This is so rad.
All right, we're gonna have to try and get turned around, get that 4-seater bus turned around in here. I think it'll just barely do it. Hope not. Alright folks, we're getting to the top here above the train tunnel and we're getting drifted in a little bit. That last one was just slightly pushing me off the edge. I don't think Scott's gonna have a problem, but I want to make sure Craig gets through there okay. Without getting too nervous, because it just kind of feels worse than it actually is. So, no problem. Yeah. Oh, he's going high on it, no problem. Yeah. Put it in low range. There goes the belt. Low range. See all that smoke coming out of there? Just put her in low, you're good. Biggest thing is that that back tire doesn't want to slip off. Yep. Okay, he's good. We're moving on. Let's go see how this puppy's doing. Oh, he smoked a little belt there, but that's all right. Little puppy, so cute. Smells new. Here comes Scott. Got Lisa on the downhill tippy side. Oh, crazy. Scott gonna take his razor up. Woo! Okay, we're just starting to get into the drifty area. We'll see how much further we'll be able to go. Stay with us. All right, we got a down tree there. Snow levels not doing too bad. Let's see if we can do this. Oh yeah. No problem. That puppy getting special attention today. He's not gonna get that every day. See if they can follow. If Scott gets hung up, I'll be sure to get out and get you guys some footage. All right, this is kind of cool. It's a little tree, but you can see how it's sprung into an arch right there. I'm gonna try and relieve the spring here. Let's see if it smacks me in the face or not. This one's got to go. Voila! Very eventful. Not impressed. Okay. Oh yeah, it's like a clear road, no problem rest of the way. Clear as day. Just gotta make sure these other guys catch up to us. I hear him coming, he should be all right. Coming off it as you back up though, see? Okay, there you go. That's what we're looking for. Now, what we'll need to do is maybe trim a little bit of this out of the way so you can shoot up against this log straight and pop out of there. So I'm gonna trim those trees real quick.
I'm stuck here now.
Yeah, you just stay there. We'll need low range, 4-low, diff lock, all the fun stuff. Come straight out there. Want to catch that one and land it on? Hit the GoPro, boom! It's my new one. Oh shit, there. Stuck.
For a teepee.
Yep. Nice. Whoa, okay. Alright. Yeah, give her some crawl out action there. You just come up straight. He's good.
Ah, son of a bitch. Let me get on a push, buddy.
So you kind of want to, yeah, there you go. Think of it as one swooping motion. Pop up. Yep, and then follow that log around. Yep. Should have just enough room. Nope. Nope. That's a big one.
Get that bastard. Oh shit, never mind.
Yeah, it'd be risky to drop that one.
I know.
It's so big.
I know.
Let's just push on his door and see if it'll. If you do them kind of quicker, Craig, like when you were off of it and you bump it in one motion, the suspension kind of lifts and it all goes in one motion. Letting off is where they rub the most. Well, yeah. I don't think I'm going to make it. Exactly. So confidence is kind of what you got to have is like see your line and take it and make it. You know what I mean? I get that. No, not hammer, but just boost a little bit and stay in it. Like you're up against the line, you're clear, you're off of it.
I'm gonna fuck everything up here.
No. Because you'll hit your top. You're good. Just go nice and easy. Stop before the rear if it's still scraping. You're doing good. You're clear now. This is going to take a little momentum. Oh, okay, yeah, that's good. Go. Yeah, good. Go. You're good. You're on it. Yeah, that's normal. Woo! You didn't even rip it off. You're good. Just flex Alexis hit a little bit. Nope. Yeah, look at that. Mine were all ripped out from those. I had to reattach them every ride. But that looks good. We got the sticker in one spot, but he's gonna put a cool wrap on there, so. Yeah, you're all right. We're almost there. If it gets too hard up here, we can turn around. Okay, it's after lunch. We got a little drift bust in here. Oh, come on. Oh, right in the nose. No problem. Here we go. Get a little steep. Okay. Well, if we can keep everybody following us, I think we're gonna make it through. And it is a little tight for a 4-seater, 72-inch. Definitely a little tight for this big dog 74-inch, but we're getting it done. The puppy's gonna take a nap. Oh yeah, you got it. Good driving. All right. Here comes Scott. Yep. Better get out of his way. There's a big hole in the middle too. Whoa. All right, folks, we're gonna make it all the way through and complete our loop today. And that'll put us at a good 60-mile loop or so. Yeah, good driving. That's awesome. A little swampy here. Got a moist area anyway. Little valley. Kind of a good bear area. Alexis had a dream about bears. Yeah. Okay, snowdrift busted. Oh, looks like we got some Sasquatch tracks up here too. See that? There he was. Out there. All right, guys, we're back at the infamous river here, wrapping things up for the day. Yeah, well, I don't know if you can see them. Hit that subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next one. Show some of this birch. Birch. Chop dog. Get away. Come on. No, get away. Come on. What's this? This one. Come on.